In the 60s when we grew up, we are the youth.
Youth for now. Scare. Let's start back again. Remember something. Breaking transmission, that part I get emotional, you know. But when I go to like on stage and put out that part you're going to the bloopers part. Him are the youth.
See,
You start
we
on
are
the
the youth.
60s, yeah.
We are the youth. Watch them eyes that like that.
Yeah, okay. In a 1962.
Yeah.
And that was a very, me never the about still, but when me I watch it was a very emotional moment. Say, the Jamaican flag is now hoisted. Yeah.
So to know that we have the strength
Yeah,
to do that.
yeah. See it there? See the flag, yeah? Yeah. Can't put, watch it. We're going to put the flag for you. See it there?